This CSRS is installed with a lap and shoulder belt onto which a locking clip has been added to keep the belt tight. Sometimes adding a locking clip is necessary, but it takes some extra steps and adds more time to the installation process, which isn't ideal when you're on a schedule. So, fortunately, since late 2011, federal regulations require any lap and shoulder belt on a school bus to be a type that does not need these extra steps. You can simply follow the basic installation method for using a lap and shoulder belt that locks. But if the bus was made prior to October 21st, 2011, and it is equipped with a lap and shoulder belt that you want to use to install a CSRS, always check to see if a sliding latch plate is present. If the lap and shoulder belt's latch plate is a sliding type, you have two options to properly use it to install a CSRS. One would be the locking clip method, and we'll show you how to put that on in a moment. However, another option is to select a CSRS model that has a built-in lock-off, a feature that holds the seatbelt so you wouldn't need to use a locking clip, provided the CSRS instructions are carefully followed. This option, when available, is typically a bit quicker and easier than adding a locking clip. Of course, a third option is to use a non-conventional CSRS that installs using a cam wrap instead, as we'll discuss in the next module. But sometimes a conventional CSRS is the only option, for instance, for certain special needs or for a child who must ride rear-facing. So, at times, using a locking clip is unavoidable. If a conventional CSRS must be used when installed on an older bus, using a lap and shoulder belt with a sliding or non-locking latch plate, and the CSRS does not have a lock-off feature built in, then a locking clip must be added to the lap and shoulder belt for proper installation.